There are moments when you feel broken. Like the pieces of your heart, dreams, or confidence have shattered into a million parts. It's in these moments that everything feels heavy, dark, and hopeless. But I want you to hear this clearly. You are not defeated. You are not finished. You are not alone. Feeling broken doesn't mean you're weak. It means you've been strong for too long, carrying burdens, facing storms, and giving your all. But here's the truth. Broken things can be rebuilt. Wounded hearts can heal. Dreams can rise again. When you feel broken, take a moment to pause. It's okay to cry, to grieve, and to feel the pain. Pain is part of the process. It's how we grow. You cannot heal what you refuse to feel. Give yourself grace, but don't let the pain define you. Think about this. When a seed is buried in the dirt, it might feel like it's been buried alive. But in truth, it's being planted so it can grow into something beautiful. Your brokenness is not your burial. It's your rebirth. You are stronger than you think. You've overcome so much already. Look back at the battles you've fought, the mountains you've climbed, and the storms you've survived. Those moments didn't break you, they built you, and they'll build you again. In moments of doubt, remember, every scar tells a story of survival. Your struggles don't make you less, they make you more compassionate, more resilient, more powerful. Surround yourself with people who lift you. Lean on their love and encouragement. And when you feel like giving up, let their belief in you remind you to keep going. You don't have to face this alone. Most importantly, take one step at a time. Healing doesn't happen overnight, and that's okay. Progress isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. Small steps forward are still steps forward. When you feel broken, remind yourself, this is not the end of my story. You have so much more ahead of you. New opportunities, brighter days, and a stronger, wiser version of yourself waiting to emerge. You are not your pain. You are not your past. You are the creator of your future. Stand up piece by piece, moment by moment. You have the power to rebuild, to rise, and to shine brighter than ever before. So, when you feel broken, don't give up. Keep believing. Keep fighting. The cracks in your heart are where the light gets in, and your story is far from over. Your greatest chapters are yet to come.